Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, what is the keyword for creating an interface in Java? Let me answer. We have to use a keyword known as interface keyword, followed by the interface name. Okay. In order to create an interface in Java while writing the Java programs, we have to use a keyword in Java known as interface keyword, which is followed by the interface name. For example, it will be like this, okay? Interface name. Like this, we have to create an interface in Java, starting of the interface and ending of the interface, okay? So like this, okay? There is some code in between the interface and all, okay? So interface is a keyword that we have to provide before the interface name while creating an interface in Java. But for creating a class, we have a class keyword. But for creating an interface, we have to use interface keyword, not class keyword, okay? So let me practically demonstrate how to create an interface in Java with help of this interface keyword. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here I'm right clicking on a package and selecting new. And here, when you are creating an interface in Eclipse IDE, instead of selecting this class option, you have to select the interface option, okay? But if you are writing this, creating an interface without the help of Eclipse IDE, let's say in the normal notepad or something. For example, if I open the normal notepad editor, okay, then how to create that interface I'm going to show you. So I'll just create a new thing. So here, okay, I'll show you here. Fine, give me a second. So here, if I have to write some Java code to create an interface, I have to write like this: public, followed by, this is optional guys, public is optional. Whether you want to provide public or not, it's up to you. But if you provide, generally most of the interfaces will have this modifier mentioned, access modifier public mentioned. So that is optional anyhow. But the main thing that you have to use, or the main keyword that you have to use for creating an interface in Java is the interface keyword. Okay, the interface is the name of the keyword followed by the interface name. Let's say sample inter. Okay, sample interface. Okay, I'm just giving some random name for the interface. Okay, and the starting of the interface and ending of the interface. This is starting of the interface and this is the ending of the interface. Okay, in between that you can create some methods and all. Okay, method definitions and all. Okay, so interface is the keyword name that we have to use, or the keyword that we have to use for creating an interface in Java. So in Eclipse IDE automatically creates that code for us. So I will not be able to show that. That's the reason I have written that code for you in the normal notepad editor instead of Eclipse editor. But if you try to do the same thing in Eclipse IDE, you should not be selecting the class option while creating the interface. You have to select the interface option having this eye icon. Select that. It will ask you the interface name. So sample demo interface. Okay, just give some name. Okay, so it's in upper camel case anyhow. The naming convention of the interface need to be in upper camel case. When you click on the finish, Java will this Eclipse IDE will automatically generate this Java code containing the interface keyword and followed by the interface name. Okay, we generally don't write such kind of code in the Eclipse IDE editors, but if you are using normal editors like Notepad and if you have to create an interface like this, we generally type it. But Eclipse IDE automatically generates this code. As you can clearly see, Eclipse IDE has used the interface keyword for creating an interface in Java. Okay. So the answer is what guys? Interface. But for creating a class, if I open any other classes here, for example, any of the class here, the class keyword will be there. Okay. So this is commented out. Let me open some other sample class or something. As you can see here, you see, for creating a class, we need class keyword, but for creating an interface, we have the interface keyword in Java guys. Okay. So what's the answer for this question? So what is the keyword for creating an interface in Java? Interface is a keyword which we have to use for creating an interface in Java. So hope guys you got the answer for this question with practical demonstration. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.